Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. H Math Lab. This video is for Math 1 student. Today is Tuesday, January 28, 2020. I forgot to change the date. We're gonna go over Quizette 3, CAS Practice Problem 2, and for my Math 1 Period 2, you will work on your ALEKS assignment. Don't forget the topic goal is due this Friday. You're supposed to get 50% or higher. And if you already done that, you can go ahead heading to the 75% topic goal next. Okay, for my Math 1 5th period, you can go ahead start on your ALEKS assignment. You log into your ALEKS and do the continue your path. Those are called topic goal. Okay, work on your continue your path. If you have knowledge check, take it seriously. If you show your know stuff, you can skip a lot of topic goal. Okay, go ahead and work on those when we're done with the CAS practice. Alright, problem 1. To graph linear equation, you need to know slope and y-intercept. So, the m for the first equation is the number in front of x. There's no number in front of x, meaning that you have invisible 1. So slope going to be -1 over 1. And your b equal to -4. So we start at -4. Since it's -1, you're going to go down 1 to the right one, down 1 to the right one, and down 1 to the right one. Then we draw the line, go through those points. Okay, and y equal to 2x plus 2. So slope going to be 2 and b going to be 2. So we start at beginning of 2. Slope is 2 over 1, so you go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Did you know that I can also reverse that? Instead of go up, I will go down. Instead of go to the right, I can go to the left. Down 2 to the left 1, and we draw the line, go through those points. Okay, so they cross as this point. I believe it's going to be -2, -2. Okay, we're going to check it again. 3 problems, 1, 2, and 3 actually is the same problem, so we expect to see the same answer. Okay, number 2, we're going to solve by substitution method. Y equal to 2x plus 2. So we're going to take this and plug it in place of y. So x plus 2x plus 2 equal to -4. Okay, the number in front of parenthesis, if you don't see any number, that's going to be 1. You're going to distribute +1 into parenthesis. That will give you x plus 2x plus 2 equal to -4. Then we can combining like term, that will give you 3x plus 2 equal to -4. How do we solve for x? What we'll do is subtract 2 on both sides. That will give you 3x equal to -6. Then we divide both sides by 3. That will give you x equal to -2. Okay, are we done yet? The answer is not yet. We're going to plug it back into the top. Y equal to 2x plus 2. And we know x is -2. So we plug it in. So that will give you y equal to 2 times -2 plus 2. Y equal to -4 plus 2. Y equal to -2. Alright, so our final answer is -2, -2. So it's looking good. This answer matching with our first answer. We're doing pretty good. Now we're heading to problem 3. Okay, solve the system by elimination method. So if you missed yesterday, elimination method is the Math 1 contents. So basically you add two equations and something will be cancelled out. 3x plus 6x will give you 9x. 3y minus 3y will cancel each other out, equal to negative 12 plus negative 6 is negative 18. We divide by 9 on both sides, x equal to negative 2. Then we take this, plug into one of the original equation. So 3x plus 3y equal to negative 12. And your x is negative 2. So 3 times negative 2 plus 3y equal to negative 12. That will give you negative 6 plus 3y equal to negative 12. We're going to add 6 on both sides. So 3y equal to negative 6. And we divide by 3 on both sides. Y equal to negative 2. Okay, so x and y coordinate, that will be negative 2 comma negative 2 as my final answer. And they match with 1, 2, and 3. Alright, that's it for our Quizette for today. The next one going to be CAS practice. You got to take out your week 19 clue paper CAS practice. We're on problem 2. And Ms. Cowan going to help you with that problem.
Hi everyone, this is Ms. Cowan. This is week 19. This is problem number 2. The question is stating Sharon is writing a computer program that solves linear equations and displays a numerical answer for the solution. When Sharon inputs the equation 4x plus 3 equals 4 times the quantity 1 plus x plus 1, she gets an error message. Explain why. Okay, so let's see what's happening over here. So I'm going to work with just the right-hand side of the equation for now. And I'm going to simplify things. So let's see. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times x is 4x. And then I'm going to drop down that plus 1. I'm going to combine like terms. So 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 4x. All right, so let's rewrite this. We have the left side, which says 4x plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 4x. Well, in that equation, it looks like I could take 4 x's off the left side, and I could take 4 x's off the right side, and I get 3 is equal to 5. Is that ever true? No. So the reason she's getting an error message is because this equation has no solution. Has no solution because 3 is never going to equal 5. Okay, so that should take care of part A. Part B says Sharon inputs the equation 5 plus 6y is equal to 9y plus 2 plus 3 times the quantity 1 minus x. So again, let's do this over on the side. I'm just going to work with the right-hand side because that's the side that needs to be simplified. So I got 3 times 1, positive 3. I have 3 times negative y. And then I'm going to drop down or bring down the other two terms that I didn't do anything with. So let's start with the y's. 9y minus 3y is 6y. And then we'll go over here to these constants. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And so let's check to see what's going on in the whole equation. We got 5 plus 6y is equal to 6y plus 5. So in this case, if I take 6y's away from both sides, I'm left with 5 is equal to 5. So this is always going to be true. This is an infinitely many solutions. Any number that you put in for y will always make this equation true. So again, any number that you put in for y will make this equation true. The variables were all canceled out, and we're left with a statement of 5 equals 5, which is true. So you could even check it. You could put numbers in for y, and it should make it true every single time. All right, that's it for number 2.